Okay, so here are the supplies for the Halloween wreath that we're going to be making. This is the 14-inch wreath frame, and this is 6-inch decorative mesh, and I have 2 orange, 2 purple, and 2 black. We'll need some pipe cleaners, and these ones are just cut in half. And then some different embellishments and things for at the end to decorate the wreath some more. And I also got a string of purple lights from the Dollar Tree. They're battery operated. Everything came from the Dollar Tree, actually. I got this wreath. It is 9 foot long, and I already have it cut into 8-inch long pieces, and then I just cut it in, or put it in half, and then to angle the edges. Alright, so we'll put that aside, and the stuff gets everywhere. So we're just going to take the mesh, and I'm going to use the rotary tool here, and you want to cut them all into 8 inches long. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing that, cutting all of the decorative mesh, and the ribbon is all going to be 8 inches long. Alright, so we had all of the meshes cut into 8 inches, and I just wanted to show you how we're going to put it together. So you're going to have 1 black, 1 purple, and 1 orange, and they automatically just roll up like that, and that's great. That's what you want. So you want to roll it up. Nothing spectacular. You don't have to measure, and then just hold it in between your fingers. Purple one, and the black one. And we'll scrunch them up. Take one of the pipe cleaners and give it a twist. And that's it. And then once we get it on the wreath, we can fluff it up and fix any of the frayed ends and stuff. So we'll do that again. And I tried to alternate the colors. Well, the color that's on top. Each bundle will have a black, orange, and purple mesh. Roll it up, hold it in between your fingers. And hold it in between your fingers. Twist it, get your pipe cleaner, and just tighten it on there so that they're held together, and then just leave the stems long. That's how we're going to attach it to the wreath. Alright, so that's 2 of those, and then remember we had this decorative ribbon, and this is not, we're not going to use this in every one of the bunches. just because it's an accent piece. So we'll do the same. We'll roll them up. Alright, and then you have your 3 rolls there. So I take the ribbon, fold it in half, put the pretty sides together, and then just kind of smush it up. Just get them all in there together. And just the exact same way. Put the pipe cleaner on, and then, you know, at the end we can fix them, fluff them up, and even we'll do that all too once we get them put on the wreath form. So we'll do the last one of those. Alright, then we have the 3 rolls, and then we fold the pretty sides together, and then just put it all with the pipe cleaner. Really good twist. So we have that, and we'll fix all the rolls at the end. So here is actually the